best luxury midsize car for 2025 to 2024 Acura TLX. The 2024 Acura TLX has been named the best luxury midsize car for 2025, lauded for its striking design, performance capabilities, and advanced technology. As a standout in the luxury sedan segment, the TLX combines a sporty edge with refined comfort, making it a top choice for drivers seeking a well-rounded luxury experience. Bold design and premium interior. The 2024 Acura TLX impresses with its bold and aggressive styling, highlighted by a prominent diamond pentagon grille, sleek LED headlights, and sculpted lines. The car's dynamic design is complemented by a luxurious interior that boasts high-quality materials, including leather upholstery and optional genuine wood trim. The spacious cabin offers both comfort and sophistication, with available heated and ventilated front seats, as well as a panoramic sunroof. The 10.2-inch True Touchpad infotainment system provides a user-friendly interface for navigation, media, and connectivity, featuring Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. Powerful performance and handling. Under the hood, the 2024 TLX offers two impressive powertrains to cater to different driving preferences. The base model features a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine delivering 272 horsepower, while the TLX Type S ups the ante with a turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 engine producing 355 horsepower. Both engines are paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and responsive performance. The TLX also comes equipped with Acura's super handling all-wheel drive (AWD) system, which enhances traction and stability, providing an engaging and agile driving experience. Advanced safety and technology. The 2024 TLX prioritizes safety with its comprehensive suite of driver assistance features. Standard Acura Watch technology includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. The TLX also offers optional enhancements such as a head-up display and a surround view camera system, ensuring maximum convenience and peace of mind for drivers. Conclusion. The 2024 Acura TLX stands out as the best luxury midsize car for 2025 due to its bold design, powerful performance, and advanced technology. Its blend of style, comfort, and safety makes it a top contender in the luxury sedan market, appealing to those who value both performance and refinement.